Review Doha Private Tour. Wonderful experience. All the sites mentioned were time well spent. And we have all the lovely photos to prove. Courtesy of an unexpected camera expert, Mr. Sadiq the driver. Although it started out on a bummer since National Museum of Qatar was closed due to Eid, we still had a great time on our 20 hours layover from Doha to Istanbul. Our driver however sort of compensated that with a detour to one of the best karak chai joint I've ever tasted. You should request Mr. Sadiq as your next driver as he was very patient. We were traveling with an elderly and an infant, mind you, and also full of insights and useful tips, even haggled for us to get discounts at Souq Waqif. An overall not to be missed opportunity, and I'd say money and time well spent. Try it. Absolutely the best. The guide was Camille, and she explained everything so well. Since I couldn't understand English very well, she even used a translator to explain everything to me, which was so touching. And she takes incredibly amazing photos. The best. You could tell that she was trying to show and tell me as much as possible about Doha, and I was so grateful. She even checked our receipts to make sure we weren't overcharged. She was such a kind and friendly guide. If I were better at English, I would have become best friends with Camille. I feel like I saw all of Doha in just one day. Thank you. The driver Sadiq was very responsible and notified us in advance. He also invited us to have tea at the traditional market, which was a good choice for a day trip on a cruise.